Hi everyone, we are Group 14 and today we will present our project on the hotel booking management system as part of our database and cloud security course. My name is Muhammad Yazid bin Yunus. Along with my team members, we have developed a comprehensive solution for managing hotel bookings. So let's dive into the details of our project. Now let me introduce our team members who contributed to this project. So here we have Faris, me, Yazid and Divagar. So we have worked together to create this hotel booking management system. Now let's talk about the main objective of our project. So first, we aim to monitor and manage customer bookings efficiently. This means making it easy for customers to book rooms and for us to keep track of all bookings in real time. Second, we want to provide a secure platform for booking management. Security is a top priority, so we ensure that all customer data is protected. Third, we enable administrators to handle various tasks such as user management, booking approvals, room status updates, and other administrative functions. So this makes the system very flexible and easy to use for the hotel staff. Lastly, we ensure data security and integrity through various security measures. So this includes things like password encryption and regular updates to keep the system secure from potential threats. So let's take a look at the proposed design and implementation of our application. Starting with the admin login page, here administrators can securely log into the system by entering their username and password. So this page is designed to ensure that only authorized personnel can access the admin dashboard. Security measures like password encryption and input sanitization are implemented to protect the login process from unauthorized access and SQL injection attacks. So the simple and clean design make it easy for administrator to log in and start managing the system. Next, let's look at the admin dashboard. So this is the central hub for administrators to manage all aspects of the hotel booking system. So the dashboard includes a sidebar with various sections such as home, book, check-in, check-out, room category list, rooms, users and site settings. So this layout allows administrators to easily navigate through different functionalities. So in the main area, we have quick access buttons for managing bookings and rooms. Administrators can approve bookings, update room status, manage user accounts, and configure site settings. So the design ensures that all critical tasks are easily accessible, making the system efficient and user-friendly for hotel staff. Now let's look at the home page. So this is the main interface for customers using our hotel booking system. On this page, users can enter their check-in and check-out dates to check room availability. So the check availability button allows users to quickly see which rooms are available for their selected dates. So below the selection, there are place orders for displaying available rooms. Users can view the details of each room and choose the one that best suits their needs. So the top navigation bar includes links to the home, rooms and about sections, making it easy for users to navigate through the websites. Next, we have the room page. So this page provides detailed information about the available rooms. So each room is displayed with an image placeholder, a description and a book button. So this setup allows users to quickly review room details and make a booking with ease. So the top navigation bar is consistent across pages, providing links to home, rooms and about section. So making navigation simple and intuitive for users. So now let's take a look at the About Us page. So this page provides information about the hotel, its history, and contact details. So the design includes a main contact area where we can display detailed information about the hotel. So this helps build trust and credibility with our users by providing them with background information about the hotel. As with the other pages, the top navigation bar includes links to home, rooms and about section, ensuring consistency and ease of navigation across the website. So the About Us page is essentially for giving users a sense of who we are and what we offer. So now let's discuss the hardware and software used to develop our application. So the hardware requirement include an Intel Core i5 or equivalent processor, 8 GB of RAM and a 256 GB SSD. For the software stack, we use PHP, MySQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, Ajax, and jQuery for development. Our system runs on Apache via XAMPP, which simplifies the setup process. So we use Google Chrome for testing, and our application is compatible with Windows operating systems. So this combination of hardware and software ensures that our system is robust, efficient, and user-friendly. So here we have the context diagram for our hotel booking management system. So this diagram illustrates how the system interacts with external entities, namely customers and administrators. So customers can perform various actions such as searching for rooms, making bookings, viewing their bookings, and accessing the hotel information. Administrators can manage bookings, rooms, users, and site settings. So the arrows represent the flow of information between these entities and the system, showing how data is exchanged and managed within the application. Here the entity relationship diagram, which is ERD, for our hotel booking management system. So this diagram shows the relationships between different entities in our database. System settings contains details about the hotel such as name, email, contact, and about content. So for users, manage the user information including name, username, password, and type. So room categories defines different room categories with attributes like name, price, and cover image. For rooms, stores information about individual rooms, their category and status. For bookings, manage booking details including user ID, room ID, check-in and check-out dates, and booking status. For tracks check-in details with room ID, reference number, contact number, and status. So the connection between these entities represent how they interact with each other, such as users making bookings, rooms being categorized, and system settings managing users. So this ERD provides a clear and organized view of our database structure, ensuring data integrity and efficient management. Finally, let's discuss our plan to secure the database. So password encryption, we encrypt user password using secure hashing algorithms to protect against unauthorized access. SQL injection prevention, inputs are sanitized with my SQLi real escape string to prevent SQL injection attacks. Regular updates, we keep my SQL PHP MyAdmin and the OS updated to ensure all security patches are applied. Regular backups, database backups are performed regularly and stored securely. Limited user privilege, users are granted the minimum necessary privilege, and these are reviewed regularly. Restrict PHP MyAdmin access to PHP MyAdmin is limited to specific IP ranges to prevent unauthorized access. Monitor activity, database activity logs are enabled and reviewed to detect any suspicious activities. Secure password, like long and complex passwords are enforced for PHP MyAdmin accounts. So these measures ensure that our database remains secure and that user data is protected from potential threats. Next, I will hand it over to my friend to continue. Thank you.
Okay, this is our hotel homepage for the users. There is like a navigation bar over here, and there is the home button. Once you press the rooms, you can go back by pressing the this home button here. It'll redirect you to this home page in front here. So to book rooms, you can click on check availability and redirect you to the room homepage. And once you're in here, you can select the check-in date. So you can select the year, which is 2024, and the month is May. Today is 22nd, and the checkout date you can put it 28. Here is and it will save in the admin room check-in page. And so this is about the room page, and next is the about page. So here it displays the information about the hotel and stuff like that. And so you press back the home button and it redirects you to the home page, as you can see here. And so next is the admin side. This is the admin login page. So here, let me type the admin and the username and the password. So this is the admin homepage. As you can see on the left, there's the navigation bar, and I will take you through all of these. So in the book page, as you can see, there's the category, reference, status, and action. So you can view all the current booking that we did just now, and number, the check-in and check-out date, the days, and the price. So you can edit, and you can check out as the admin. So and next we have is the check-in page. The check-in page is also to for the admin to add in names, contacts, and the check-in date and check-out date. And the checkout, here is all the checked out rooms and currently being checked in rooms. So you can view here. The current one is here. As you can see, you can view and then close. And then next is the room category list, where you can set the category, pricing, and the image for the rooms that are available. And then the room page here, you can put up rooms which are available and unavailable here, and then you can edit and delete as you come here. And you can select the room and availability and the room number. Okay, and next is the users. Admin can select, edit, delete, and add new users here. And last but not least is our site setting here, where you can also edit the names, emails, contacts, about us, and stuff. So this back to home, and that would be it from our web page.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Faris, and so for my part, I'll be explaining for the thread modeling. So using the stride and thread modeling, we'll explain and provide the justification on how our application able to pass through this test. So the first one is for the password encryption. It's a security measurement for our website, where we will use hash password function to encrypt the password. So on the stride analysis, this prevents the spoofing by ensuring that only authorized user can access the accounts, and it can mitigate the tampering risk by securing password data, and the password remain confidential, preventing information disclosure. And also it prevents elevation of privilege by securing user credentials. So on the drag analysis, weak password security has high damage potential, and it can be exploiting weak password is easy to reproduce, and weak password are susceptible to exploitation, and many users can be affected if passwords are compromised. And weak password vulnerabilities are relatively easy to discover. So we can see here, after creating a user, the password will be encrypted, and that is all for the password encryption. Next, we move to the SQL injection implementation. So we are using the MySQLi escape string function to prevent SQLi. on the strike analysis, SQL injection can allow attackers to impersonate user or administrator, compromising data integrity. And also the tampering risk arise when attacker manipulate data through SQL injection. And also attackers can extract sensitive information via SQL injection, posing information disclosure risk, and also SQL injection can overload the database, causing denial of service. And lastly, it can elevate attacker's privilege, leading to unauthorized access. And on the threat analysis, SQL injection has high damage potential, compromising data and system integrity. And exploiting SQL injection vulnerability is relatively straightforward, and SQL injection vulnerabilities are relatively easy to discover. So basically, it will pop up something like when you key in the wrong username, or let's say your password, it will pop up the incorrect username or password. So it's working. Next, I'll be explaining about the security measurement implementation. So we will provide the security measures in SQL database, and we will specify the security measures that our team have implemented in order to protect the database from the internal and external attack. So to prevent from backdoor attacks, there are 6 steps security measurement implemented to protect the database from internal and external attacks. These measures are designed to enhance overall security posture of our database environment, ensuring the sensitive data remain protected and integrity is maintained. So I will explain about the first one. So the first one is the creating long and secure password for PHP my admin. So as you can see here, this is the PHP my admin password and username, and you have to sign in. So as you can see here, we have successfully logged in using the very long and password that is created by admin. And so we have enforced to use a long and complex password for all PHP management accounts. This includes incorporating mixed uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. So the purpose is to prevent unauthorized access through brute force attacks or dictionary attack. By increasing password complexity, we have significantly reduced the likelihood of attackers guessing password. So the second one is regular software updates, where we routinely check and update all software components, including MySQL, PHPadmin, and the underlying operating system to the latest version. So the purpose of keeping software up to date is crucial for mitigating vulnerabilities and protecting against known exploits. Security patches released by software vendors address critical flaws that could otherwise be exploited by attackers. So as you can see here, this is all up to date, PHPMyAdmin and also MySQL. And the third one is the regular backups, where we perform a regular backup. So HotelDB is our database where we export, and in format we just export. It will done automatically. So we perform regular backup of this database to secure the copies of our data. These backups are stored securely and previously tested to ensure their integrity and recoverability. So the purpose is in the event of data breach, corruption, or any form of data loss, having recent backups allows us to restore the database to its previous state, minimizing data loss and downtime. So the fourth one is limiting users' privilege. So we go to the user account. where we limit the privilege. We have implemented a principle of a least privilege by granting database users to only the necessary privilege required for their roles, such as select, insert, update, and delete, are granted selectively, and administrative privilege are restricted. So the purpose is to limit the user privilege, reduce the risk of accidental or malicious data alteration. By restricting access, we minimize the attack surface and prevent unauthorized action. So as you can see here, we can just select this one. Yes. So we have updated our for the user rules, the privilege. So for the fifth one is the restricting access to PHPMyAdmin, where access to PHPMyAdmin is restricted to specific IP ranges, specifically the ranges that is between this and where we have to put this code inside the htaccess inside PHPMyAdmin, so it will deny all the IP addresses different from this not from this range. So the purpose is to restrict the access to PHPMyAdmin and prevent unauthorized external access to our database management interface. This measure ensures that the only user within our trusted can only access sensitive database elements too. And the last one is monitoring database activity, where we have to put this SQL code inside the run the SQL query, and to the purpose of this is to monitor database, allow us to detect and respond to suspicious activities in real time, and also provide an audit trail for forensic in case of a security incident. Thank you. That is all from me.